Yo, what is up, ninjas? Your boy is sitting here in front of the beautiful Las Vegas skyline in my Boston Celtics jersey, and I want to talk to you today about how you can make money doing nothing. And if you're thinking to yourself, Kevin, how the heck can I make money doing nothing? Well, I promise you that by the end of this video, you're not only going to understand exactly how you're going to be making money online doing nothing, but I'm actually gonna teach you some very cool ways to make even more money doing even less than nothing. If that even exists. Wait, what's less than nothing? And so unless you've been hiding under a rock inside of a cave, you've probably heard about apps like Robinhood. Now, Robinhood, for example, have completely changed the landscape when it comes to investing. In the days of old, you had to pay E-Trade and companies like that, $5 a trade, $8 a trade, $15 a trade every single time that you actually wanted to buy into a stock. But Robinhood came along and completely changed the market, and now you see companies like Schwab and all these different brokerage accounts starting to copy the Robinhood model, charging $0 for trades. The app that we're going to be talking about today has completely disrupted the model as well, and it's a really good idea when you actually think about it, because at the end of the day, we all are living our lives, we're all spending money on Starbucks and buying probably too many pumpkin spice lattes, but the truth is you're spending money whether or not you actually think about it, and the app that we're going to be talking about actually allows you to start making money doing nothing differently than you're already doing right now. And you've probably heard of this guy right here. He's pretty well known for having made tens of billions of dollars doing one thing, and that one thing is investing. Now, many of us, if not all of us, know how important investing is. We know that it's one of the #1 ways that we can actually grow our online income and grow our overall wealth, but how many of us actually are actively investing? Even though everybody knows that you should be investing, it still takes so much time and energy to actually, go out and invest your money, find stocks, do the research, feel comfortable actually investing your money. But what if there was a way to have someone who knows 100 times more than you about investing, invest money on your behalf with literally no work on your part? And so the app that we're going to be talking about today, and the way that you're going to be able to make money online doing literally nothing, is called Acorn. Acorn is an awesome way to automate investing for people who don't want to spend their valuable time looking for investments and actually spending time making those investments. Basically, how Acorns works is it will round up purchases you're already making and automatically invest that money on your behalf in an investment strategy that you choose. If you want to be very safe and very conservative, they'll do that for you, and you'll expect to earn a little bit less money, but you'll be able to sleep at night. Or if you'd rather be a little bit more risky with a higher potential for gain, Acorns will invest your money the exact way that you tell them to. And just an example to really hammer this home for the people like me who might not be too good at math: if you buy something at Starbucks or McDonald's, or if you're trying to be healthy / find a wife at Whole Foods, if you spend $2.75, for example, Acorns will automatically round that $2.75 up to $3, and then it will invest the difference on your behalf. And when you actually go about signing up for your free Acorns account, it will ask you what type of investment strategy you feel most comfortable with. If you want to go very safe, they'll invest in over 7,000 stocks from their experts that do nothing else but invest your money for the maximum return in safe investment vehicles like Vanguard and index funds and things like that. Or if you want to have a higher potential gain, you can invest in other stocks that might have a riskier portfolio that have a higher chance of either going down or going up by a larger percent. Acorns also has something pretty cool called the round-up multiplier. You can set it at 2x or 5x or 10x, and basically how that works is, in our same example, if we spent $2.75, it would round it up to $3. That's 25 cents that Acorns is going to invest on our behalf. If we set our round-up multiplier to 10x, instead of being 25 cents, it would be $2.50 if we want to be a little bit more aggressive on how much we're actually investing with no work. And of course, remember, if we're investing and if the market is going well, which it has been for years, we would be actively making money, literally doing nothing, not spending any time finding investments, not spending any time actually making those investments, not doing any research to evaluate the legitimacy of those investments. All we're doing is buying our favorite pumpkin spice latte, and we're making money to do it. And the cool thing about Acorns is you can set up a recurring investment strategy if you want to invest things on a daily or a weekly or a monthly basis, just to hold yourself accountable and save your money. Because I know for a lot of us, we might struggle with saving money, and instead of actually saving our paycheck, we just go out, go to the club, buy a Gucci shirt, and all of a sudden we have no money in our bank. Acorns actually allows you to save that money on a schedule, and it'll invest it automatically on your behalf. This really starts to add up quickly. Albert Einstein said that compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world, and he who understands it earns it, and he who does not pays it. And if you understand that quote, it's really powerful. Even if you invest just $1 a day, that will start to add up very, very quickly as your investments start to go up, right? Because if you invest just $1 a day, that's $365 a year. If you make a 10% return on that money, you're starting to make a significant amount as the years pile up. And the more you invest every day or every week or every month, the more potential gains you have. Another really cool feature about the Acorns app is what's called the potential setting. And what this basically is it will estimate how much your investment could be worth if you invested a certain amount at a specific time interval. So for example, if you invested $150 per month, every month, the potential setting would show you how much your investment could actually be worth in what amount of time. And with over $1.2 billion with a B actively being managed by Acorns, you know that they have some of the best people in the world actually taking care of your money, because of course their business grows if the investment grows. And so all of the incentives are aligned, which is super important when it comes to investors. And Acorns publicly talks about how they have over 7,000 stocks and index funds and Vanguard and all of these different investment vehicles that actually are very safe. And if you look at them from a historical perspective, have gone directly up over the years. And of course there are slight fluctuations up and down in any market and any investment, but over time, the investment strategy that Acorns is implementing is the same one that people like Warren Buffett and some of the best investors of all time recommend. Now, Acorns is completely free for college students, and it's only $1 a month for its basic and most common plan. And so even if you're investing just $1 a day, you'll probably pay for the $1 a month monthly fee just with the gains from your investment. And so one of the coolest things about Acorns is if you actually use your referral link, both you and your friend who you get to sign up get $5 deposited into your Acorns account. And so if you bring, 5 friends, you made $25. And last time I checked, they pay up to $250 in referral bonuses. And so if you go out there and you find 50 people to sign up to Acorns completely for free for college students, you can make $250 profit literally for spreading the word about an app that's actually really useful and is going to be really helpful and make a lot of people a lot of money who might not otherwise spend their time and energy to invest their hard-earned money and watch that money grow through their investments. And so if you want to sign up for your Acorns account and start investing and start making money literally doing nothing, you can check out your Acorns account right here in the description, this link right here. And if you want to learn an even cooler way to start making $1,000 per week with no job, check out this video right here where I show you exactly how to do it, even if you have no experience. Promise you it'll be a good one. See you there. Hey yo, what is up, ninjas? If you want to learn how to make $1,000 per week with no job, and even better yet, zero money to start, you're gonna want to stay tuned. It's gonna be a good one.